So it's all very well making art, making work on our cameras, etc. But at the end of the day, what are we doing with the work, with the art? We post on Instagram, that big, and it's maybe admired by somebody for a few seconds and that's it. And then it's, okay, it's part of your portfolio, but it kind of disappears into nothingness, right? For me, I've been more and more thinking about how I want to use the work that I've made and start making prints and making things to put on the wall actually have a physical representation of what I've done, something in the real world. And I think it's a really nice final stage to use your work that way, and it will push me at least to think about shooting things that can live on a wall and be good enough to live on a wall. The frame of the Panoramic is actually, it's not even a picture frame, it's an old mirror that somebody had left near the bins of our apartment building. It's in perfect condition, just the mirror part was smashed to pieces. That is what triggered the idea for the Panoramic, was seeing that as a frame and thinking that that could be a wonderful horizontal shot. You know, you're going to print something for real, you're going to commit to a certain colour grade, to a certain look, and also see how that comes back from the printers, which, let me tell you, is a revelatory process, because, believe it or not, what you see on your screen doesn't always correlate to what comes out at the print, I've found. But as a piece of work that I toiled hard over in terms of getting it to look right on the print, in terms of the colour grade and how it transfers, because the colours aren't exact, because it depends on the paper you use, etc. There's many variables, which is what I want to learn. It was a bit of a struggle, actually, to be honest. I think it looks decent. I'm happy with it. Maybe I could do a better job in the future, and maybe I will improve the frame. I'm going to try to realise some of my art into the real world and try and shoot for things that can exist on the wall and be good enough, and I can be proud of that in years to come of the work that I've done.